So guys, we are going to learn new design today. Okay, so we are going to create some uh, wedding post. Okay, so wedding post, yeah, wedding anniversary invitation. It takes a lot of time to load. Okay, so here there are so many templates available. You can choose any of them. So I'm going to take okay, this look good. Okay, now we can just change the color over here. You can take any of the color you want. See, 4 colors are available, so I'm taking this color. Is looking good. So if you want to change text over here, so that for example I want to add when एक second, just okay, so I will try to erase this only. So Zen and Aditi, okay, and wedding of, हम लोग यहाँ पे डेट चेंज कर सकते हैं गाइस. एक सेकेंड. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैं सपोज ईयर चेंज कर देती हूँ, टाइम थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते हैं, 8 PM. You can change city over here, like if I want to take Jolly Avenue, Mississauga, Ontario. Okay, and if you want to add the number over here, you can change your number 647369852. You can add lines. Okay, now if you want to change fonts, so you can change so many fonts over here. I want to add, if I want to add this, yeah, it looks simple. So if I want to use this font, you can use this. It's not look good, so okay, ये वाला अच्छा है, तो मेरे को ये पसंद आया. आप लोगों को जो पसंद आ सकता है आप लोग ले सकते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बोल्ड कर देते हैं, font. Now this is looking extra, थोड़ा फेक लग रहा है, मेरे को नहीं पसंद इसका font. सिंपल से ही पसंद है, जस्ट लाइक वेडिंग में जैसे तैसे रोबोटो मुझे पसंद है, तो लेट्स ट्राई रोबोटो ओवर हियर. ओके, सी, if you want to add some flower, then you can take flower. You can just search flower over here and take any of that flower. If I want to choose this patti or here, okay, second, what is happening? Okay, okay, so you can choose, you can select any of them. So सिंपल सा लुक मैं देने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. See, it looks good. If you want to add some flower, then you can just flip, or if you want to add some more designs, you can just add designs like this. No, this is not look good. Today I'm not sure. Okay, so there's so many designs over here. Oh, you can just write Torin. See, it's look good. Okay, sorry. We need to take this, and you can just drag it. See, this is how you can just create invitation card. Okay, so this is a simple idea which I have shared with you all. Now you can create your own idea, your own invitation card. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys. Okay.